Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from your iPhone to an SD card using an adapter. This is a super straightforward process, but the key is making sure you've got the right adapter for your device, so let's dive right in. First off, make sure you're using the correct adapter for your iPhone model. If you've got an iPhone 15 or later, like I do, you'll need a USB-C SD card adapter. If you're using an older iPhone with a Lightning port, you'll need the Lightning to SD card reader instead. Once you've got the right adapter, insert your SD card into the reader. Next, connect the reader to your iPhone, either through the Lightning port or USB-C port, depending on your model. Now open up the Photos app on your iPhone and select the photos you want to transfer. Once you've chosen the photos, tap the Share button, and from the options that come up, select Save to Files. This will allow you to choose your SD card as the destination. After you've selected the SD card, confirm the transfer and wait for it to complete. Finally, don't forget to safely eject the SD card before removing it from the adapter. That will help prevent any data corruption or issues with the card. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. See you later.